In this video, you will learn how to change region in iPhone App Store. So first of all, in order to change region in App Store, you have to tap on Settings. Then you have to tap on your name. Here, as you can see, it's written Ghazanfar Ali Riaz. So I will tap on it. Now here you will see the option Media and Purchases. Okay, as you can see this option. So tap on it. It will ask to sign in. So you have to sign in. If you are already signed in, then you have to tap on View Account. As you can see, it is saying cannot connect to iTunes Store. Your Wi-Fi must be switched on. Okay, so here we will switch on Wi-Fi or SIM network. So after tapping on your name, now you have to tap on Media and Purchases, sign into your iCloud account, then tap on View Account. As you can see, it's asking for password. So we will type here password. So as you can see, it's loading. Now here you will see the option country and region. So in App Store, you can change region from here. So tap on it and change your region. But keep in mind that before changing your region, you have to cancel your active subscriptions or wait until your subscription expires. You can only update apps originally downloaded while your account was set to that specific region. Media purchased in one region may become unavailable to re-download if it is not licensed in your original region store. So these things you have to keep in mind before changing region in App Store. See you in next video. Thanks.